Divide. Divides a segment in specified equal parts by providing number of parts, or type block name and number of blocks to insert. You have option to align blocks. Measure. Divides a segment in specified equal parts by providing distance between parts, or type block name and number of blocks to insert. You have option to align blocks. Divide easy. Easy way to divide a segments with a dialog. Select divide type. A. To divide an object. B. To divide distance between 2 points. Specify number of divides and press OK for equal distances. Or you have the option to add or subtract from end divisions, a specified length to differ from middle intervals. This is useful when you draw architectural objects with frame, on with longer or shorter ends.